Well, so I'm basically a volunteer for a lot of animal welfare societies and campaigns that are out there.
As a majority, we can contribute a little bit, and a little contribution helps a lot in making the world a better place.
I want to create a peaceful world that embraces the inclusiveness and diversity without any discrimination.
Ugh, this sucks. There's just so much injustice happening around the world, and I can't do anything about it.
Hey, be careful. There is terrorists lurking online, preying on those who feel just like you to join their cause. But knowledge is power. The more you know, the more you can help.
So check out the Notebook Book Club podcast by the Southeast Asia Regional Center for Counter-Terrorism. Learn more about the difference you can make in the world and listen to counter-terrorism experts discuss on the latest issues.